solve the following equation and make sure that you check for extraneous solutions. There's two ways to be able to solve this problem. Well, one way is to be able to move the 2 to the right hand side, then get rid of the square root and solve it. But since they give you all the solutions, you can just go through and check each one of them. And that's what we're going to be doing. Now remember that you can also move the 2 to the right, becomes a -2. Then get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. But in this case, I'm just going to check my answer. So let me check letter A. Let me see if 6 is an answer. So it'll be 2 plus the square root. Instead of the n will be a 6 plus 3 is equal to, instead of the n will be a 6 plus 3. So it gives me 2 plus the square of 9, which is 2 plus 3. On the right hand side we have 9. So is that true? No. That is false. So that is not an answer. So let me try letter B. I'm going to plug in a -2. 2 plus the square root of -2 plus 3 is equal to -2 plus 3. So 2 plus the square root of 1, so it'll be 2 plus 1. Is that going to be equal to 1? No. And then let me try letter C. So let me try letter C. We have 2 plus the square root. Instead of the x, I'm going to plug in a 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3. It gives me 2 plus the square root of 4, which is 2 plus 2. And that gives me 4. Is that going to be equal to 4? That's correct. So C is an answer. Now make sure that you take the time to be able to check letter D, just in case we have two answers. So letter D. I'll be 2 plus the square root. Instead of n, I'm going to plug in a -7 plus 3 is equal to -7 plus 3. That gives me 2 plus the square root of -4. Now remember that the square root of -4 gives me an I, so that's not going to be equal to -4. So this is not an answer. So the only answer that we have is letter C.